Alright, we will continue the practice by raising hand up and down. Breathe in, move hands up. Breathe out, move hands down. Feel the qi. Think about qi around you. You can do it sitting down, or you can also do it standing up. Continue. Relax. Raise hand, breathe in. Lower hands, breathe out. Think about qi when you do the movement. Do as much as you like. 10, 20 times. Move hands out more. Give a lot of space between you and your hands. Thank you. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.